Hello viewers, in this video we'll see how to make crispy and cheesy pizza bombs. These are absolutely mouth-watering bite-sized snacks that are filled with gooey cheese. Let's get started and check out the recipe. To prepare the pizza dough, take 200 ml of lukewarm water, add in 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast and 3/4 teaspoons of sugar. Stir this well and set aside to proof for 10 to 15 minutes. The yeast will become frothy once it is activated. If it isn't frothy, repeat the step. To this, add 1 cup wheat flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Mix thoroughly and add water if required. Knead well for about 5 minutes until you get a soft and elastic dough. Now grease both the bowl and the dough. And cover with a moist cloth and set aside. Let this rest for about an hour or two until the dough doubles in size. Meanwhile, to make the pizza sauce, take 1 large chopped onion, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and grind this to make a smooth paste. Set this aside. Next, make a puree from 400 grams of tomato and set aside. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil on a pan. Add in the onion garlic paste and fry until cooked. Now, add in the prepared tomato puree along with 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, ½ teaspoon of coarsely crushed pepper powder, and required amount of salt. Stir well and cook covered on a low flame while stirring occasionally. Bring this to a boil, then cook uncovered until nice and thick. Once thick, add in a teaspoon of Italian herbs. Mix well, taste and adjust. Set this aside to cool. Next, in a bowl, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour and set aside. In a second bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix all this well. And add in ½ cup of milk. Combine well without lumps and set aside. Now, in a third bowl, take 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Add in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Mix this and set aside. Next, sprinkle some flour on your bench. Take a portion of the pizza dough. Roll and cut into small portions. Take 1 portion and roll into 2-inch circles. I am making bite-sized portions here, so I am rolling them into 2-inch circles. You can vary the size as you wish. Ensure the dough is not rolled too thin or the cheese may burst out while deep frying. Place about a teaspoon of pizza sauce in the center. Sprinkle a little of Italian seasoning and place a small cube of mozzarella cheese on top. Now moisten the edges well Bring them together to seal the edges. And roll into a ball. Now, coat the ball with the plain flour. Then coat with the prepared flour batter. And roll in breadcrumbs until coated well. Press lightly to ensure the crumbs stick well. Repeat and prepare as many as required. Refrigerate these for 30 minutes. Fry in hot oil. Rotate them lightly in between. And remove when golden. Enjoy crispy and cheesy homemade pizza bombs. Please do like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!